Here's another anti-aging skincare. This is a combination of retinol and vitamin C. So this is called Stenbicten. This one right here. It's a serum, multi-action. I can use this morning or night, but I prefer to use it at night because there's retinol on it. But you can use it at daytime. It depends on you, how you feel. I got a light, not strong during the daytime. So this is how it looks like, guys, inside. And this is sealed. And there's comes with dropper on it. So when I start using it, I have to put the dropper on it. So it's easy to apply. It's not gonna waste. So this is, guys, I did try this before. I think I have already it so empty. And all my empty is, I keep it on the bin. Just for preference, or, you know, I'm gonna film it one day